Have you ever thought about earning money online in a simple and free way? Welcome to the world of online jobs. With more than $100,000 already paid to users like you, this reliable platform is taking the digital gig economy by storm. And the best part? You can start generating extra income right away. Online Jobs is a free platform and mobile application where anyone with internet access and a mobile phone or computer can register to earn money in a simple and free way. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? It's simple and straightforward. Online Jobs allows its users to generate income steadily without making any investment, as it pays its users to perform from simple tasks such as giving a like to a photo or even test websites and applications under development. All tasks within Online Jobs are published by other users belonging to the same platform. Online Jobs is for everyone since you only need a cell phone or computer with internet access to create an account and start generating extra income. To begin, you need an account. This is your passport to a world of opportunities. Once you've registered, you can start exploring the tasks available. Once you complete the tasks, you'll be rewarded with virtual tokens. But what to do with these tokens, you ask? Well, they are your ticket to real money. You can exchange them for cash via PayPal or for cryptocurrencies using Coinbase. The choice is yours. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, designed with you in mind. It's about making your journey to earning extra income as smooth as possible. So, you see, earning extra income has never been easier. But wait, there's more. Online Jobs has a referral system too. You're not limited to just performing tasks. You can also earn a little extra by introducing others to Online Jobs. Here's how it works. When you refer someone to the platform and they sign up and start completing tasks, you earn a commission. It's that simple. But here's the interesting part. The amount you earn from referrals isn't the same for everyone. It actually depends on the country of residence of your referral. This means that if you have a global network, you could potentially earn more by referring people from different countries. So, not only do you earn by completing tasks, but also by expanding your network. Online Jobs is not just a platform for earning, it's a platform for growth. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Online Jobs, perform tasks, earn money, and boost your income today. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also benefit. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about online jobs, side hustles, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.